If you want to check warranty on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then first of all we need to go to settings, scroll all the way down and go to about phone, and then we're gonna copy the IMEI1 number over here. So press and hold your finger until you see this information that the number was copied to clipboard. After that we can open our browser and you want to Google IMEI check. You will find a bunch of different browsers and they pretty much work in a similar way. So I'm gonna choose this one as an example. And these websites allow you to paste the IMEI number over here. And once you do so, you can search for information about the phone, including the warranty. So let me quickly solve the captcha. There we go. And over here you should get the results. In my case, I can find, for example, the warranty status, the estimated warranty end date, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.